This is a real, full walkthrough auditing one genuine site end-to-end on-page, technical, search console, and analytics exactly the way an actual real SEO audit gets done. In this longer video you'll follow every real step in order. The real audit genuinely starts here, since these are the actual first things both search engines and searchers see. This real step genuinely confirms the page has one actual H1 and a logical, real heading hierarchy underneath it. This real step genuinely finds any actual images missing descriptive alt attributes. This real step genuinely confirms the URL is clean, readable, and free of unnecessary actual parameters. This real step genuinely measures actual load performance using real, live data. This real step genuinely confirms the page renders correctly at real mobile screen sizes. This real step genuinely confirms crawlers can actually find and access every real page that should be indexed. This real step genuinely reveals any actual pages that failed to get indexed and why. This real step genuinely shows which actual queries are driving real clicks and impressions today. This real step genuinely assesses the site's actual off-page authority so far. This real step genuinely confirms how actual visitors behave once they land on the site. This real final step genuinely turns everything found into an actual, ordered action plan. A real audit checks on-page, technical, and off-page factors in order. Search console and analytics both feed real, first-party audit data. A genuine audit ends with fixes prioritized by real impact versus effort. Run this exact real 12-step audit on your own site and write down your top 3 fixes. That's the complete series. Go run this real audit on your own site and watch the actual results follow.